Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Boost. Have you ever opened your English book, looked at the page, and just thought, no, not today?
Yes, I know that feeling so well. Your brain feels full, like it just can't fit one more new word. Hello, by the way. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. You're exactly right, Paul. That feeling is so common, especially when you're just starting your English journey. It's like you're trying to climb a mountain, but you're only looking at the very top, and it seems so far away.
It's true. And on those days, it's easy to want to stop, to close the book and think, maybe English is not for me.
That's what we want to talk about today. If you're a beginner and you sometimes feel tired or confused or frustrated, this conversation is for you. You are not alone. And more importantly, you can do this.
Today on English Boost, we're having a simple, friendly chat about not giving up. We'll share some personal stories, some easy tips, and hopefully we can help you feel calmer and confident. So, get comfortable.
Let's start with a story. Paul, can you remember a time when you felt really frustrated while learning something new? Not just English, but anything.
Oh, yes. For me, it was cooking. Seriously. Last year, I tried to make a simple pasta sauce. I followed the instructions, but I used too much salt. It was terrible. I was so disappointed. I thought, I can't even do this simple thing. I should just order pizza every night.
But you didn't stop cooking forever, right?
No, I didn't. My friend said, okay, it was too salty. Next time, use less salt. Taste it while you cook. The next time, it was better. Not perfect, but better. And that felt good.
That's a perfect example. Learning English is like learning to cook or to drive or to play a sport. You don't start perfectly. You make a salty sauce. You forgot to use the brake gently. You miss the ball. That's normal.
Exactly. And when you make a mistake in English, it's like my salty pasta sauce. It's not a sign that you should stop. It's information. It tells you what to do differently next time.
So let's talk about English mistakes. Many beginners feel scared of making mistakes. They are afraid to speak because their grammar is not perfect or their pronunciation is a little different.
I understand that fear. But Emily, what is the main goal of language?
Communication, to share ideas, to understand people, to connect. If someone says to me, yesterday I go to the park, I understand them perfectly. The grammar is not perfect, but the message is clear. Communication is a success.
Yes, a mistake is not a failure. A mistake means you are trying. You are in the game. The only way to avoid all mistakes is to say nothing. And then you learn nothing.
Let's change our thinking. Let's not say, I made a mistake. Let's say, I found a way to improve. It sounds small, but it feels very different.
That's a great idea. Now, Emily, another big problem for beginners is time. People are busy. They have work, family, and school. They think, I don't have 1 hour to study English every day, so I can't do it.
This is so important. You do not need 1 hour. In fact, sometimes short is better.
Really?
Really, think about it. If you are very tired and you try to study for 1 hour, your brain is tired. You remember maybe 10% of what you study. But if you study for just 10 minutes when you feel fresh and focused, you remember 80%. Quality is more important than quantity.
So, what can you do in 10 minutes?
So many things. You can listen to a short English song and read the words. You can watch a funny video clip in English. You can learn 3 new words and write one sentence with each. You can even just talk to yourself. Describe your room in English in your head. This is my desk. It is brown. My computer is on the desk.
I love that. Small, easy activities. It's not a big, scary mountain. It's just a small, friendly hill every day. And these small hills, over time, become a big mountain of knowledge.
Exactly. Consistency, doing a little regularly, is the secret. It's better to study 10 minutes every day than to study for 5 hours on one day and then nothing for 2 weeks.
Our brains need repetition. They need to see and hear words many times. Small, daily practice is perfect for that.
Now, let's talk about motivation. Some days you feel motivated, you want to learn. Other days, you don't. That's normal for everyone. On those don't days, what can we do?
I say remember your why. Why did you start learning English? Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you need it for your job. Maybe you want to understand movies and music. Maybe you want to talk to friends from other countries.
Write your why on a piece of paper. Put it on your wall or on your phone. When you feel tired, look at it. It will help you remember your goal.
And also, be kind to yourself. If you're really tired or sick, it's okay to rest. Resting is not quitting, it's preparing. You can't run a marathon every day.
That's a great point, Paul. Learning is not a race. It's a journey. And on a journey, sometimes you walk fast, sometimes you walk slow, and sometimes you sit under a tree and drink water. All of it is part of the trip.
I want to talk about something else: comparison.
Oh, yes, this is a big one.
Many beginners look at someone who speaks English fluently and think, I will never be like that. They are so good. I am so slow. This is very dangerous for your motivation.
You cannot compare your beginning to someone else's middle. The fluent speaker you see, they were once beginners too. They also made mistakes. They also felt confused. You don't see their 10 years of practice. You only see the result.
Compare yourself to yourself. Look back 1 month. Can you understand a little more? Can you say a few more sentences? If the answer is yes, you are winning. You are moving forward. That is the only comparison that matters.
Let's share a personal story. Paul, can you tell us about a time when you felt really proud of a small improvement in English?
Sure. I remember when I first learned to order coffee in English. It seemed silly, but I was so nervous. I practiced the sentence, "Can I have a black coffee, please?" many times. The first time I said it in a real coffee shop and the person said, "Sure," and gave me my coffee, I felt amazing. It was a small thing, but for me, it was a big victory.
I love that story. That's a perfect example of a small win. And these small wins give you confidence for the next step. Maybe next time you can say, "Can I have a black coffee with sugar, please?"
Exactly. Small steps. Okay, Emily, your turn. What was a frustrating moment for you in learning, let's say, Spanish?
Oh, Spanish. I remember trying to say I am embarrassed, but I used the wrong word. I said a word that meant something much stronger and stranger. The person looked at me with very big eyes. I felt my face get red, truly embarrassed.
Oh no.
But you know what? I never forgot the correct word after that, ever. A mistake can be a very strong teacher, and now it's a funny story. At the time, it was not funny, but now it is.
So we can learn from mistakes, and sometimes later we can even laugh about them.
Yes. Now, let's give our friends some very simple, practical things to do when they feel like giving up.
Number one, change your activity. If you are tired of grammar exercises, stop. Listen to music. Watch a cartoon. Read a simple children's book in English. Play a word game on your phone. Make it fun again.
Number two, find a friend. This is so helpful. Find one person, maybe also a beginner, and promise to send one English message to each other every day. Just one. Hello, how are you? I am tired, but okay. The weather is sunny. It's not scary, and it makes you feel not alone.
Number 3, use what you love. Do you love football? Watch short football news in English. Do you love cooking? Watch a recipe video in English. Do you love fashion? Read a simple fashion blog. When you are interested in the topic, learning words is easier.
Number 4, celebrate the small things. Did you understand the main idea of a short video? Celebrate. Did you learn 2 new words today? Celebrate. Did you say hello to someone in English? Celebrate. Tell yourself, good job.
And number 5, talk to yourself. Seriously, when you are cooking, name the things in your kitchen in English. Spoon, pot, water, salt. When you are driving, describe what you see. Red car, big tree, the traffic light is green. It's free, it's easy, and it's great practice.
These are all simple, low-pressure ideas. The goal is to stay connected to English, even in a very small way on the hard days.
We also want to say it's okay to ask for help. If you don't understand something, ask a teacher, ask a friend, or write your question in the comments below our videos. Our community is very friendly. We are all learners in some way.
Absolutely. Learning is not a solo journey. We are here to help each other.
So, to all the beginners watching, please be patient with yourself. Your brain is doing amazing things. It is learning a whole new system of communication. That is incredible. It takes time.
You are not slow. You are learning. You are not bad at English. You are getting better. Every single time you listen, read, or try to speak, you are improving, even if you don't feel it.
On the days when English feels like a mountain, just look at the next small step. Don't look at the top. Just say, today I will learn these 3 words, or today I will watch this 5-minute video. That's it. That is enough.
We believe in you. We really do. Your effort is important. Your journey is important. Don't give up.
Keep going. 1 word, 1 sentence, 1 day at a time.
Thank you so much for joining our conversation today. If this was helpful for you, please let us know by giving this video a like. It helps us a lot.
And if you want more friendly chats and tips to boost your English, please subscribe to English Boost and hit the bell icon. We make new videos every week to help you on your journey.
In the comments below, we would love to hear from you. You can write just 1 sentence. Maybe tell us one small victory you had this week with English. Or just say hello. We read every comment.
Remember, be kind to yourself, celebrate your progress, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.